Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to view your YouTube comment history. So this process works on both mobile and computer. Open your YouTube application, or you can also go to youtube.com, log into your specific account. You can do this on your computer or your mobile device. So go to youtube.com, then select the profile picture icon in the top right corner, then select your Google account. This will take you to a new tab where you need to go ahead and click on the option of My Activity, then select the YouTube History option. Here, go to the Interactions option from the left-hand side. Now under Video Interactions, you'll get the option of Comments and Replies. Go ahead and select it, and then you'll be able to view all the comments that you've made from your YouTube account. And if you're using your mobile device, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then select Settings, and select Manage All History, and then tap on Interactions, then go to Comments and Replies, and you'll be able to see all the interactions you've done through your YouTube account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.